if Z1 equals 5 bracket cos 4 pi over 3 and I sine 5 4 pi over 3 and Z2 is equal to 2 cos pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3, evaluate Z1 by Z2. Okay, so there's a quick and easy way to do this. Okay, if we are multiplying complex numbers in polar form, we do two things. Okay, so you have two complex numbers in polar form. You could do two things. Okay, you multiply the modulus, and number two, you add the angles. Okay, so what are they asking you to do? They're asking you to multiply Z1 by Z2. So they're asking you to multiply 5 cos 4 pi over 3 plus I sine 4 pi over 3. And that's been multiplied by 2 cos pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3. So what do? We multiply the modulus, so it's 5 by 2 is 10. And add the angle. So 4 pi over 3 plus pi over 3 is 5 pi over 3. Plus I sine 5 pi over 3. So we use the calculator to work out what this is. So it's 10. Now if you put this into the calculator, making sure it's on radians, you get an answer of half. And doing the same here, making sure it's on radians, you get an answer of minus root 3 over 2. Not forgetting about the I. Multiplying into 10, you get 5 minus 5 root 3. Okay, so that's the answer to the first one. The second one is division by complex numbers. Okay, so there's two things you have to remember for division, or dividing, I should say. Complex numbers in polar form. Okay, there's two things you do. You don't multiply the modulus, you divide the modulus, and so that's number one. And number two, you subtract the angles. Okay, so this is said Z1 over Z2. So what we have is 5 cos 4 pi over 3 plus I sine 4 pi over 3 is being divided this time by 2 cos pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3. Okay, so we'll do what it says. It says divide the modulus. So 5 divided by 2 is 5 over 2. Subtract the angle. So cos, now 4 pi over 3 minus pi over 3 is 3 pi over 3, which is pi. And it's I sine pi as well. Okay, so what's cos of pi? Cos of pi is minus 1. Sine of pi is 0. So we're multiplying this by 5 over 2. So what answer do we get? Minus 5 over 2. So that's the answer for dividing. Okay.